being organized today to confer upon the degrees to our young graduates who are eagerly waiting to cherish the fruit of their long-nurtured educational journey. We thank you.
So we have our special members to honor the dignitaries honored as knowledge, wisdom, glory, and success. May this light drive away the darkness within us. All our future endures hereafter in every shade of life. I now request an invocation song.
गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमट्टाय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलाक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्मसराराध्याय गुरुपुत्रपरित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्डकण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय गन्धमट्टाय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि
Present the welcome address on this very special occasion of the graduation ceremony 2022.
Respected Shamli Madam, Elder daughter-in-law of our Chairman Sir, Minister Mallareddy Sir, Telangana State, and Shirok Sir, the Director, Allied Sciences, Mallareddy University of MRCW, and relatives of MRCW family, dear parents, and successful women of MRCW, brand ambassadors of MRCW family, the beloved students, successful women of 2022. So, hearty welcome to graduation ceremony. So, it's a great celebration for our first autonomous batch. And really, we all are in a very happy moment and proud moment that all our autonomous batch are going to receive the degrees today. And it's the first women, first college in entire Telangana, like for your batch, who are receiving the graduation degrees. And it a short span of time, so whatever that, which indicates that, whatever the plan that we have, that exactly we used to implement. I have announced you just 20 days back. So by month of this May, that we are going to organize the graduation day, that we have succeeded in that plan implementation. And really, I'm feeling very happy about that. and really it is possible just because of the management support, our chairman sir and our secretary sir, and always the kind support from our Shali madam. As and when I request, and she is ready to support our college in all aspects, and the management having a special concern about our college, and soon chairmen are also going to join to bless you on this occasion. And firstly, I would like to congratulate all our beloved students, and I should not say students, I think so, and you are alumni of our MRCW family, but you are the part of MRCW family. I would like to congratulate you so that you have successfully completed your graduation along with one offer letter at least, and maybe of a maximum of 10 offer letters, and a huge placement track record and a 100% placement, that I can say proudly that it's a great achievement of you. But on this occasion, I don't want to say extraordinary things, but I am confident that throughout your life you will be comfortable and happy because of the skill set that you have gained in your stay in MRCW. So probably you know very well that you got these many offers in your hand just because of the globalization and huge demand to the IT industry, and because of the digitization, and particularly I can say because of the corona. One way it is a positive, another way for your batch it is a positive. That is why there is a new people you are enjoying, and that too probably you are in MRCW, and because of your skill set you got the jobs, and you are extraordinary in communication skills, and I know very well that because of that reason wherever you are, in which place that you can go, and any country that you can be there, and I am sure that you will be the top positions in your respective organizations which you are belongs. And I can say proudly that you are extraordinary in a IQ, excellent in a social quotient, and awesome in a emotional quotient, and of course a little bit adversity quotient also, because you stayed in MRCW, it is an uncomfortable zone in initial stage, but still you have crossed it and gained the knowledge. Means any uncomfortable situation also easily you can manage because of the skill set. Means the people who are having that 4 quotient, they are going to be the leaders of the future. Leader is different and boss is different. Anybody can become the boss, but the leaders are very few. But I am sure that our MRCW successful women, you can become the leaders of the future, and where you can show your mark in our respective organizations which you are belongs. And with my experience, I would like to give you a few suggestions that the college, which organization that you are going, already joined and which you are going to join, and feel and connect to that organization. It is not that belongs to somebody else, that organization where you are earning monthly salary. So just connect heartfully to that organization and feel that I am part of that organization, and dedicate yourself with 100% efforts with your skill set, and no need to think about the promotions and the hikes or else the financial support from that organization. 100%. And I am sure that any organization can recognize your skill set and your performance and your ability, dedication, commitment and sincerity. If you connect heartfully to that organization, 100% if you put efforts for the growth of that organization without any return immediately, 100% some or other day they can recognize you, they can appreciate you, immediately you can get promotions, no need to do any kind of the politics among the teammates. You should be excel with your communication skills, with emotional quotient play there, and you can balance everything, and don't be emotional anywhere, and interact, interpersonal skills, you are extraordinary, and maintain good smile always, that's enough. Immediately you will be in number 1. Automatically your higher authorities will recognize you, and I am sure within short span of time you will reach to the good heights in the organization. And my suggestion, until you will get the extraordinary promotion and benefits, don't move from one organization to another organization, so that you can get some or other day, the time will come to you, and some or other day you can become the CEO of the company also if you stay for a long time in the same organization. If you can observe the Satya Nadella sir, how much association he is having with the Microsoft. That's why the reason at present he is a chairman of that Microsoft. So just imagine that Satya Nadella sir is not extraordinary person, but I am sure he is extraordinary in social quotient like you. And I'm sure that you have a very good demand. That's why the reason companies are in pipeline for your juniors. And already it is started for your juniors with the 20 lakhs package, mentor graphics, and already EPAM is going to conduct the examination for 8 lakhs and 12 lakhs packages in the 31st. Like that, it is in pipeline just because of the performance of alumni, the skill set, whatever they gain during their stay in MRSW. It's because of that reason they have reached to the very good heights and representing the college as a brand ambassadors. That's why the reason your juniors, you have benefited because of your seniors, and similar time because of your performance in the respective organization, and definitely I am sure that your juniors will benefit. But never forget professional ethics at any time. So you have completed the course professional ethics. So please kindly stick on to that, because we are not selfish, and being engineers we should not be very specific about earning money. Always think that how best we can do service to the society because of our technology. Wherever you can get the good project which makes that common people comfortable, there you can stick on and see that your contribution must be there in the project development and that product development. And I am sure that one or other day society will recognize you. Whether the society recognize or not, forget about that, work for your self-satisfaction. Always each individual needs their self-satisfaction before going to the bed, sleep. And end of the day, we should get the satisfaction that we have done something for the sake of the society, for our community, for our organization. That gives us a lot of happiness. Hope you all will enjoy with that, and you have habituated for that, and hope that. So we all fulfilled. As a teachers, we have fulfilled our duty, and parents' duty never ends. They always follow you, and they will try to protect you. They will try to support you, and that's why the reason any important decision that you would like to take, and immediately bring it to the notice of the father and mother. Take their suggestion, then go ahead with that. So other than parents, nobody can come along with you till you are in your profession or in your family. Any kind of the important decision in your life, immediately without bringing to the notice of the parents, you should not. So they are the well-wishers. Now onwards, we are hand over back to the parents, all children. So I am sure that you can lead your life with support of your parents comfortably throughout your life. So from bottom of my heart, on behalf of Malad Engineering College for Women and on my own behalf, we all are always with you. Our blessings follows you, and you know very well that how much affection we have on you. So each and every girl is a matter to us, and each and every student is a matter to us. So if a college from our side, if you need any kind of the help, we are ready. So come along, and bring it to our notice, any kind of the issue or something or other, but don't come to me like for issuing some other certificate. So you can come to me if you want any recommendation letters for abroad education. And today even ICICI Bank is going to keep some 100% placements from your batch. And as usual, if you want, and that's why the reason I can say proudly that all of you published one paper in the reputed UGC journal, which helps you for the higher education in abroad immediately or after 1 year or after 2 years. As I have mentioned, keep aside GRE score and try your level best, and request your parents to give at least 3 years of time for your growth, and then you can think of marriage and settle in your life, you lead your life. And I am sure that my girls always joyful throughout their life. That's an actual joy. They know very well how to plan their life and how to be happy by making surrounding people happy. And you know better than any other people in your generation. And really I am very, very proud of all to wish you very, very, very all the best. On this occasion, I would like to thank management also for their kind support throughout your stay here, and they are always supporting you in future also. Our management is ready to support you. If you would like to start any company, come with the proposal. We will ready to provide you all the facilities, including the financial support from the bank, and so we will give that security or something or other, whichever way that you want, and we will support you. So be ready to start after 5 years or after 2 years. Whenever you would like to start the company, approach the college, and definitely so you can get the extra support from our college side. Okay, now wish you all the best to all my beloved children. Happy that your family is settled, because so almost every family can think that their children settle and automatically that family will go to the next level. So I am sure that today onwards you are in the next level because of the success of not meant for household things. They have extraordinary abilities and skill set. Encourage them, support them, and so that they can reach to the very good heights in their life and they can show their mark in the society. And so thank you very much once again to all the parents on this occasion. I wish you all the best.
Mrs. Shalini ma'am, the executive board member of all our events, and be here to bless them always. Thank you, ma'am.
Students, you might have beautiful memories which carry for the lifetime. And now we are entering into the real world, where the real battle begins. So, as long as learning is an eternal process, keep upgrading yourself whatever you opt, whatever you choose. I believe that you are strong and brave enough to handle every situation in your life. All the best, and we are here to guide you always. Thank you.
For the wonderful words, thanks a lot for always being here and making all our moments so precious and memorable. Thank you, ma'am. And I now request Dr. Chandrasekhar Shirod sir, the Dean Paramedical of Mallarati University, who has graced our occasion, to bless all our dear young graduates.
Madam, icon of the academicians, icon of the scholar, symbol of discipline, symbol of dedication. Your most loved principal, Madhavi Lata Madam. Other dignitaries on the dais, parents, and my dear students, I'll accept it very frankly today. One thing, I have attended many graduation programs. We also hold graduation program in medical college. While your principal madam was talking to you, addressing to you, I was very closely observing the expressions of dear students. I have never ever seen it is my very honest statement. I have also not seen such a pin drop silence when principal is addressing. That is also I have never seen. I was also heading one of the institution, Mallarati Institute of Medical Sciences. पेरेंट्स आए मैडम यहाँ पर, हम लोग हमेशा मम्मी के बारे में बात करते हैं. Yes, we should speak of mummy. We should speak about papa also. Today you are seeing this day because of your papa. और सभी जो पापा लोग बैठे उनके लिए I'll express my feeling. जेब खाली भी हो तो कभी मना करते नहीं देखा. मेरे पापा जैसा अमीर आदमी मैंने जिंदगी में नहीं देखा. Dear students, today is the happiest day in your life. The institute has declared that you have become graduates. Happy day, really. Today, tomorrow question mark. Tomorrow question mark. लेकिन my dear students, जिंदगी की असली उड़ान अभी बाकी है. जिंदगी की असली उड़ान अभी बाकी है. जिंदगी के कई इम्तिहान अभी बाकी है. अभी तो नापी है आपने मुट्ठी भर जमीन, अभी तो सारा आसमान बाकी है. God bless you, my dear students. Thank you very much, madam, for this honor. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for all your warm wishes to them. And now I would like to request Dr. Kailash Rao sir, the Dean Placements Mallarati Group of Institutions, to address all our students. Thank you very much, sir, for being so supportive to all of them.
Honorable Founder Chairman, Maladi Group of Institutions, in his absence, Sri C.H. Maladi Garu, respected Principal Madam of Maladi Engineering College for Women, Dr. Madhavita Madam, respected Shalini Madam, Executive Director, Maladi Management, respected Dr. Shirley Sir, Director Paramedical Sciences, HODs, faculty members, my dear parents, and mostly my dear students. So today, it's your day where I presume that you're totally excited on having your degree in your hands. Apart from that, you might have enjoyed all along these 4 years with the course in various forms, amalgamating. You have become a graduate today, which you must be feeling at this point of time. Give us a little support from the management side for this institution, proactively doing everything for the benefit of students in their every walk of life. Really hats up to the management. Why? Because we don't find this type of management in any other organization. And see, for the bright future of every student, Madam actually she has become the backbone and main architect for every development of student, and see they should reach the heights. So that is the vision of Principal Madam every time. She is putting 24/7 efforts for the benefit of students, for which we are realizing this day today, having your degree in your hands. Hats off, Madam. Hats off to you. And also, I can understand you are very happy at this moment of time, having placements in your hands, and most of the cases, you people are having multiple offers of various organizations with maximum package of 15 to 20 lakhs. So that is the kind of achievement, rather milestone what you have put on. So being the first autonomous batch of MRECW. So really, I congratulate every student on this occasion for enjoying all along your academic life and going out in an exuberant way from this institution. And also you must be knowing, going forward, it is your bright future you can put on, where actually so many technological verticals are there, being working globally. You know, artificial intelligence, it is one of the verticals, big data, cyber security, cloud computing, data science. So all these verticals are really rolling like anything across the globe. So there is no way to be on back foot on this technological space. Why? Because I would like to mention, whatever you found with regard to your cellular technology a decade ago, whatever you are experiencing as of today, I think there is a lot of difference. So you started with first generation way back 1980, and after that 1992 around 2G, where in the first generation only calling was possible. When it came to second generation, SMS, all these things also were made possible. When it comes to third generation of cellular technology, more features and more fast data transfer. So those are the features got added. And fourth generation technology, you understand this LTE, long-term evolution technology, for the speed of the data transfer from one point to another node. So that could be made possible. And VoLTE, voice on LTE. So all these things are getting added as features. Now we are experiencing the 5G also, and going forward, so we will be facing, rather we will experience this 6G also. So that is also on cards. All these things are evolutions over a period of time. And likewise, you understand this artificial intelligence, really it is one of the main verticals in information technology space, where everyone is working on artificial intelligence. So you understand whatever human intelligence that normally organize the activities can be replaced by these artificial intelligence features. And also your data science is there. Now enormous information that is there with every organization. So they want to see some beautiful insights out of the available information, where actually they are adapting this data science mechanism. So finding some insights and making their business very easy. So all these things are very much required for you people. As I already mentioned, you students are having bright future going forward, selecting in any of these verticals. And also at the same time, what I would like to suggest at this point of time, that you please be certified first. Any vertical you are choosing, suppose you are choosing cloud computing, so it may be Microsoft Azure also. Using that, actually you can organize this cloud computing where you need to get certified at various stages. Basic, standards, associate, all these certifications are there. So you need to make your focus, whatever vertical you are selecting, so you need to get certified over a period of time, so that you can increase your demand going forward. So is the case with your cyber security. So security is, after all, it is every organization that requires security from cyber attacks. So that's why it is also one of the very good verticals in the information technology space. And data science, already I have told you, artificial intelligence, cyber security. So all these verticals, whatever you select from your end, so you should see, you need to get updated from time to time in any of these verticals when you are making your focus. So that's why my sincere request to you, if most of you prefer to go for higher studies, so it is always welcome, or rather, if you want to be an associate of any given corporate on getting placed already, so it is also up to you. So everything is in your hands. It is the matter for you to make your own selection. So basically, I expect all of you to maintain proper attitude going forward, and also very good communication wherever you be. If you are with higher studies, if you are with any placement, all these things, I expect you people to have a proper attitude first. So in any way, at this point of time, I congratulate everyone once again, having completed your 4 years degree and also having placed in various organizations. Thank you very much for being.
I'm really feeling proud as I stand today. Feeling extremely proud to call myself a woman who is carrying forward all the skills that the college has put into us. I do not know what I would do if I would not join this college, and I would like to thank our principal ma'am, the organization, for always shaping us, always helping us, and doing all that they can, putting their 100% into shaping us to what we are today. And I would like to thank each and every person who is a part of the organization, each and every person who is a part of MRCW family, who has put in immense number of efforts to shape us into what we are today. I would like to get it into Principal Ma'am's notice that all of us take ma'am as an inspiration, and we will be taking ma'am as an inspiration moving forward in our lives, because ma'am has always been an epitome of wisdom to all of us. She has guided us, and she has provided us with a path to move forward, and without her vision or without her hard work and the dedication that she has towards the college, we would not become what we have become today. And I would also like to mention part of MRCW, coming into the college as a kid who was very naive, who did not know anything. I'm standing here today as a proud woman holding 6 offer letters, with the highest one being in UBS with 12.5 LPA. And I don't know if I would have done this if it was not because of the college people's efforts. Each and every person from the training team, principal ma'am, our management, Malarti sir, and everybody, each and every faculty members, my friends even has put so much of efforts in making all of us what we are today. And one thing that I would like to tell today, maybe we'll be going out of MRCW, but MRCW will never go out of our hearts. Wherever we go, whatever we do, we'll always make our college proud, we'll always make Principal Ma'am proud. And I'm sure tomorrow if they are world-class leaders, 5 years from today, 10 years from today, if they are world-class leaders, they will be from MRCW, I'm sure. Because we have been equipped with all the leadership skills, because we have not learned it from books, we have not learned it from manuals. We have living examples, we have our elders before us who have stood, who have led, and who have shown us the path towards success. So I'm really extremely thankful to everybody, and especially our principal ma'am for giving me this opportunity. I'm really thankful to MRCW. I forever be a part of this institution. Really, thank you to all of you. Thank you so much.
Ma'am, Shalini ma'am, and all the dignitaries present over on the dais and off the dais, and all the parents who have come for our graduation ceremony, and all my dear graduates, and all these like OpenText, DXC and Accenture with my highest package 8 lakhs. This is all because of Principal Ma'am. Training, even during COVID time, Ma'am has given us rigorous training, and so that we are in this position, like we have placed with highest package of 20 lakhs from our college. I'm sure that in future, like our juniors, maybe they'll place with more and more highest packages. And thank you so much, ma'am, for your constant support. And thank you so much for giving us.
Principal ma'am, Shalini ma'am, Dean sir, heads of various departments, faculties, and my dear graduates today. I'm very happy once again to stand here and address this gathering. It's a very huge opportunity for me, and I'm thanking Principal ma'am for again giving me this opportunity. My name is Lakshmi. I am from 4th year ECA. I have been placed in 8 companies with the highest package from Cisco with 14.65 LPA. Currently, I am doing my internship at Cisco, and it has been a wonderful opportunity for me. I got to learn about the corporate culture and how the organization works, and it has been a wonderful opportunity, and I got to learn a lot. I got to meet my seniors who are working at Cisco, and they are at very good positions. They are team leaders as well. So that was very motivating for me, that my fellow college graduates are there with me in the organization as well. So I was very happy, and I would like to thank this college, our principal ma'am, for each and every effort they put in us. I would like to thank my parents for supporting me, and all the faculty members who are constantly motivating me and helping me throughout my career of 4 years in this college. Thank you once again.
For Maladi institutions, Kailash sir, our placement officer, Pavan sir, and all the heads of the departments, dignitaries present on the stage, parents and my dear friends, a very good morning to one and all. Today, the reason we all are sitting here with happy faces is the effort, the compassionate towards us, shown by our principal ma'am, our faculty. They have constantly made us work hard to shine like a diamond once we go out of this college. I'm Ramanikita. I'm placed in 7 companies, with Capgemini being the highest. People outside claim that Tripoli is one of hardest branch, but in our college, Tripoli, even though being in that branch, our journey was so easy due to all the faculty, and also not only in the core branches, we have succeeded even in our programming languages also. All the constant efforts put by all our faculty, our college. Parents, thank you for your support. With your support and our faculty as our backbone, today we are standing here very proudly, and I'm very sure that each one of us going out will shine bright, will stand out from the crowd, and all this is due to our principal ma'am and her team. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you everyone for giving
It's half an hour, so we are just waiting for him to give the prizes to the academic toppers. And now I would like to request Ms. N. Soumya from the Department of CSE with 9.7 CGPA, 9.69. With incredible achievement by our student of Malagatti Engineering College for Women with 9.69 CGPA aggregate of all the 4 years.
Respected Principal Ma'am, Shalini Ma'am, Dean Sir, Training and Placement Officer, all the HODs, faculties and parents and my dear friends. Firstly, welcome to our graduation day, and firstly I would like to congratulate all my dear friends on our successful graduation. And first I would like to thank our Principal Ma'am for our constant support and encouragement and providing all the facilities we need, which help each and every student to achieve our goal. And I would also like to thank each and every faculty present over here who has helped us in each and every doubt. Whenever we go anywhere, they used to solve and they used to provide and guide us in a good way. And also I would like to thank all my friends who has been there with me, my typical team and supporting me. And the reason we all are sitting here is everything is because of Principal Ma'am. Just by looking at Ma'am's face, we all get positive vibes and some sort of encouragement and some sort of energy unknowingly. That's the main thing we all get. And this is a very happy moment and feeling very blessed to be a part of this college. And last but not the least, I'd like to thank my parents who have joined me here and constantly supporting me and believing me in everything and wherever I am there, and whatever I do, they constantly believe in us and supported me. Thank you, Honorable. Thank you.
Respected Principal Ma'am, Shalini Ma'am and all the dignitaries, CPOs are present here, and it's really a very proud moment for me to speak in front of all the friends and my parents especially. This is the first time I was speaking on the stage. I would like to thank each and everyone, each whole unit of MRECW for supporting us and for making us world-class engineers. And on this note, I just want to wish you all the best for your future. And I'm very proud of my sister, my mother, who are always there and supported for me in each and every situation during Corona also. Even when I lost my encouraged me, and also to the whole faculty, my class teachers, Prabhakar sir, Banu sir, Brahmam sir, Prasad sir, and each and every unit of MRECW for constant.
Thank you, Indu Madhuri. And now I request Ms. Snehalata from the Department of CSE with 9.53 CGPA.
Everybody is present on the dais and off the dais, and I would like to congratulate the parents and to see me on the stage speaking like this. And I think that my mom is having tears in her eyes right now. So I would like to thank the management and Malagatti sir for providing us with all the resources and for driving us with a very strong motivation. And I would like to thank my Principal Ma'am for shaping us into the good personalities and the good women who will lead their life very successfully. And I would like to thank all the HODs and the faculties who made us realize what our dreams are and in which path we have to move forward. And last but not the least, and I would like to thank my parents and my friends who constantly supported me, encouraged me. And I would like to say that MRECW is a place where a rock can be structured into a sculpture, and we are the symbol of the change. The change is born in the MRECW. Thank you.
The Department of CSE with 9.51 CGPA to express her views.
Over here, respected Principal Ma'am, Shalini Ma'am, Dean Sir, all the HODs and all the dignitaries, and myself, Pranita from 4th CSE. And I'm heartily thankful to the Principal Ma'am who constantly supported us from first year to final year. And she is the one in each and every situation where she supported us in for getting these placements and in everything. I'm also thankful to all the HODs and placement and coordinators who supported us for getting me on this stage. And my thankful to the parents who supported us. Thank you. Respected Principal Ma'am, Shalini Ma'am, all the HODs present over here, and all the parents and students, welcome to our graduation day. And today I stood here because it was a proud moment to be an academic topper of the ECE department. It was a great achievement to me. This was because of our Principal Ma'am, your constant support, ma'am. Whatever it may be, you are my. This is a lot for me. And also my parents are sitting over there. I can see my dad who is raising his hand. This was a great achievement and proud
I think my dad has tears in his eyes, and I also told whatever works the principal ma'am was sharing with us, and now he was supporting me to go to the higher studies, and I'm planning to move to the MS in USA in the next December intake and spring intake, and already my brother went to the US in the last year, and my dad was supporting me a lot in my studies. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity, ma'am. Thank you, thanks a lot, ma'am. Good morning, everyone. This is the first time I'm speaking in front of all of you guys, and I'm really happy. This is all possible. This is all possible because of our principal, ma'am. Thank you so much. And I'm standing here for the second time because I was awarded academic excellence in the first year also. So I'm really happy. And I want to thank Principal Ma'am for organizing amazing events and giving so much training so that we could stand here. And now I have 6 offer letters in my hand, with highest package being TCS with 7 lakhs. And on July 7th, I'm going to join the company. I think I will shine there also because of the skills that I have learned here. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. And I also take this opportunity to thank Pawan sir, Brahman sir, Banu sir for always constantly supporting us. Even if I have any small problem, if I message them, they will give reply immediately. Thank you so much, sir, for taking care of us through entire 4 years. Thank you so much, sir. There are so many people to thank. I don't know whom to start, but entire team of MRCW, and we couldn't have asked for more. And lastly, big thank you to Principal Ma'am and entire management for organizing this amazing event. We couldn't have asked for more, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Respected Principal Ma'am, Shalini Ma'am, to all the HODs, TPO sir, parents and my dear friends, fellow graduates. Today I am very happy, and this is first time I am speaking on the stage. I am a bit nervous, but I am very happy that I am receiving an award as academic topper. All thanks to Principal Ma'am and to all the faculty who are constantly supporting me. On this occasion, I would like to thank Principal Ma'am that as a representative of EEE, all 100% placements were possible because of you, ma'am, and TPO sir, Brahman sir. Because outside we know that as a EEE student, they will think that we will not get any offer, but here we got 100% offer letters due to constant support of Principal Ma'am, TPO sir, and all the faculty. Each and every time, whenever we are lacking of motivation, they are constantly supporting us each and every time, and they will say that you can do it, whether it is success or failure, but you have to do it, have a try on it, and leave it to the God, you will get it. And thank you very much, ma'am. I am very happy. This is the first time I am speaking, and my father and mother are there. Thank you for giving me this opportunity.
Sai Prasida from IT Topper.
And Dean sir and all the head of the department. So basically, in the very first year on the orientation day, my father saw all the seniors speaking on the dais, and he requested me only one thing, that I want to see you on the dais speaking to all the people, addressing to all the people. And I think that I just satisfied his wish, and I hope that he is very happy seeing me on the dais. And from the very first year to this final year, I was the academic topper from first year to the 4th year. I'm so happy that my mom was placing all the medals and all the prizes on the racks, and I was so happy seeing all those. So this is all because the support and all the push that we got from the college, and I feel so happy that I'm standing here. In our batch, IT department is only one section, but our juniors going on, it is increasing, the strength is increasing more. I'm so happy to see that IT is developing in this college, and we hope that our juniors make IT very proud. Thank you so much.
All these students have been called all of a sudden, and we are really so happy and surprised to find what a transformation has been through them through these 4 years. You are all really making us feel so proud, and this is on behalf of our respected Principal Madam. She wanted me to communicate this to you, that you are showing extraordinary performance. Thank you all.
Over here, respected Principal Ma'am, Shalini Ma'am, dignitaries on the dais, off the dais, and my dear parents and my dear friends. In order to say one thing about this college, how it has led my life, in order to build a pillar support. Similarly, one of the strong pillar in my life and career is this college. And in order to make my life very successful, in the starting itself, I have received 5 offer letters, with the highest being UBS with a 12.5 LPA. In order to convey one thing, how pillar is responsible for holding the whole house. Similarly, this college and the whole management here, faculties, principal ma'am, TPO sir and whole team here, due to their constant support which is being given to us and their support and their each and everything which is planned. So by receiving all the things in the proper manner, we are here with, in the as successful women. Thank you so much, ma'am.